Did you know there are over 2.41 billion active users per month on Facebook? Apparently, Facebook stands as one of the most powerful social media platforms. It is also one of the most popular marketing platforms among advertisers, and the most prominent tool is Facebook paid ads. Hi, this is Komal Kashish, and it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel Nutly once again. Today, I share with you best tips for Facebook paid ads campaign in 2021. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified when we launch more of such videos. Facebook is like a giant directory of people, of different interests, locations, age groups, etc. Any business can find its audience on Facebook and contact or influence them through Facebook paid ads. This is the reason you can see a large number of Facebook ads campaigns running on it. But only the successful ones can be effective in converting visitors to paid customers. Spend on social advertising is on the rise, with Facebook having a big piece of this pie, as 1 out of every $10 spent on advertising is for Facebook ads. However, the competition for Facebook ads space is also increasing, and if you are keen to leverage this advertising platform in the right way, you ought to have the right strategy for Facebook paid ads campaign. Now, what are Facebook ads? Facebook ads can be described as advertisements which are designed specifically to influence a particular set of audience. Facebook ads can be used to achieve a variety of objectives, such as driving traffic to a website, selling a product, conversion of an audience, and many more. Facebook ads are categorized into multiple types, and you can use the one which best suits your goals. How does one get started with Facebook ads? You can create a Facebook ad in few simple steps. Number 8. Select the goal of your ad. The first step is to select the goal of your Facebook ad. You can choose what purpose you would like to fulfill through your ad. Number B. Add relevant call to action button. You should always have a relevant call to action button, and you can select between the above shown options. You should always put an action button on your Facebook, as it directs the users to what you want them to do. Number C. Select audience. Facebook allows you to choose or also create your audience. Do not try to address a large audience just for the sake of increasing the reach of your ad. Instead, focus on the right set of audience through targeting. The ad will be cycled on its own if it reaches the right set of people. Number D. Select duration and budget. The last and crucial step is to decide the duration of your Facebook ad. You can choose the number of days as well as the budget you want to set for your Facebook ad. This is how you can set up your Facebook ad, but it requires more than just an amalgamation of words and an image. A lot goes into making a Facebook paid ad campaign successful. Be it the image, video, or the headline, everything you put in your Facebook ad should be there for a purpose and should add to the relevancy of the ad you want to showcase. Now, some tips you can follow to make your Facebook ad campaign successful. Number 1. Identify your target audience. Facebook covers a broad set of database, and the key to a successful campaign is to understand the audience which you would want to convert into leads. You can start by segmenting your audience and creating different ads for them. Facebook lets you define the target audience in detail, in where you can select your audience based on their behaviors, age, demographics, etc. Number 2. Don't overlook the landing page. A landing page is a page where the user lands after clicking on your ad, and it is a crucial step in your marketing funnel. Your landing page should be simple and should represent what message you want to convey. You can also make your landing page SEO optimized for better results. Your landing page is a deciding factor whether your leads will convert or not. You should always try to make your landing page as relevant as you can. If your landing page is not appropriate, your marketing efforts on Facebook will go in vain. Number 3. Work on every part of your ad. Every aspect of your ad is essential and will play a deciding role in whether your audience will click on it or not. Keep in mind these quick and easy follow tips. Number 1. Provide a call to action with your Facebook ad and do not overdo it. Choose one call to action which you would want your users to take. Number 2. Maintain the proportion of image and text. It is normal to put a lot of text information in your Facebook ad, but to make your ad more attractive, avoid overstuffing your ad with text and maintain the right balance. Number 3. Create different ads for different people. The same strategy won't work with different people. Number 4. Be clear in your ad copy and use simple language. Number 5. Your image should be relevant and attractive. Number 6. It should offer an attractive value proposition. Number 4. Make the right use of testing. You can always check whether your ads are doing good or not by testing them. Make 2 variations of the same ad. You can try experimenting with different headlines or images and see which is working better. Testing ads is a great way to see what works better and what your audience likes. It also shows you what does not work and you can always change it. Number 5. Try to create content primarily for mobile. The number of mobile users are increasing day by day. The content created for desktop may or may not be translated well for mobile, but mobile content will convert well for desktop also. People use social media apps on their mobile phones, and it is vital to keep in mind this fact while creating content for your ad. Mobile has become one of the most used devices, and every day a lot of content is delivered to users through mobile apps. Number 6. Make a strategy for bidding and select a budget. In the end, choosing the right bidding strategy and a budget is a must. No business owner wants to invest blindly and get no results. Facebook allows you to manage this by using Optimized CPM. Optimized CPM is a type of bid that shows ads to only people who are potential customers. In this option, Facebook bids on your behalf. These are some tips you can use to run a successful Facebook ad campaign. It always takes time and trial and error to build a Facebook ad campaign which delivers results. Do not expect it to happen in a day. The trends in digital marketing are ever evolving, and one thing that works now may or may not work every time. You should always be updated to make the best use of digital marketing techniques. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you found it useful. Please share the video, like and tell others too about it. We look forward to hearing your thoughts on topics you would like to see and we will do our best to accommodate your requests. For more information, see the blog links given below. See you soon in our next video.